Bro, mama, why is you just acting like that?
Acting like what?
Like, it's showing the part, the thing.
What thing?
The fitted thing.
I don't see nothing.
No, it's gonna keep sliding down.
Or just keep pulling it up. Shit.
Yeah.
All you gotta do. Time you think about it, just pull it up.
Wait, y'all got a pin.
Bobby pin?
Like a safety pin.
Your grandmother probably got one. She come back
if
in.
that's the case, I could just safety pin like the dress to the part right here.
Mm-hmm. You know she got one.
Oh, you gotta take this one off, Markaya. Wait, the other way. You gotta. And you gotta take the A off. You got a safety pin?
Safety pin. What you need safety pin for?
Cause this could keep falling and showing the part. So I'm gonna.
She said bra keeps showing.
The part.
She want to pin them up together so I don't show them all. You gotta look on a dress or something. A jacket, a dress.
Yeah.
Let me go help look for